So I'm gonna ask you.
Don't worry,
'cause-
don't worry. I'm on the right.
Yeah, you're old man, right? So why do you think me? I'm a young boy. How do you think I'm gonna make it in life as a young man?
Oh, young man.
Yes. What advice you could give me as your grandpa?
I am grandpa. Yeah.
Yeah. So how you gonna advise me? Like, what do you think?
Where do you come from first?
I'm from West Africa, Sierra Leone.
Sierra Leone.
Yeah. Yeah, West Africa. I came in this country 2004 as a refugee.
Refugee.
Yeah.
Now 2024.
Yes.
How old are you now?
I'm 37 now.
37. You not
Yeah.
married yet?
Not yet. Yeah.
Not yet.
Yeah.
And you've been here 20 years.
Mm-hmm.
You should be know the life.
Yeah.
You thinking to get married, have a kids?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now
Mm.
you Catholic or Muslim?
I'm respectful to all religion. I'm ready to learn.
Good. It's good.
Yes.
Good.
So
Good. You're not a religion man.
I'm into anything that new to me.
Yeah. Good.
But my name is Suleiman. So basically,
Man,
basically my
You're
name
Muslim.
is yeah.
you're Muslim.
Mhm.
Okay.
Yeah.
I tell you now, right now, the life is difficult. All right, Sulaiman?
Yes, sir.
Very difficult, the life. You can marry African girl, but you want to be careful. Only 2 kids.
Okay.
That's it.
Okay.
The wages too low. Interest 8%. We have inflation.
Yes.
Maybe the inflation this now maybe doesn't go down.
Yes.
Yeah, a lot of job, all right,
Yeah.
but that shit job, lower money.
Yes.
If you wanna, you permanent here now, is it?
Yeah.
Good.
For sure.
Yeah. Look for girl from your country
Okay.
because you are easy to understand each other.
Yes.
Don't look for girls Israeli or Greek or Lebanese
Mhm.
because very hard, different culture.
Okay.
Because you culture, you understand each other very quickly. Yeah,
Thank you very much.
yeah. But this is what I tell you, because the rent very expensive,
Yeah.
the money low, no money around.
Now, because it does not matter. I've been in Australia for a long time, but I like asking old people
Yeah.
how the
No,
time that you were younger like
Look,
me.
when I come to Australia,
Yeah.
when I come to Australia in 1974, like I've been here now 15 years.
You see?
I come here when I was 20.
Exactly.
Yeah, the wages was too low too.
Mhm.
I was getting $85 a week.
Okay.
Before 1 year, 1.5 years, there was the wages here in Australia. They was about like $40 a week.
Okay.
Yeah, but not that expensive. That was.
Okay.
Well, packet cigarette was 28 cents.
Mm.
Okay, we have the cents. We have the
Mhm.
yeah. The inflation we have we have a lot of recession in Australia, but
Yeah.
that one
Mm.
is very big.
Okay. When was that?
I tell you what,
When was that in that here? When here was that?
the recession
Yeah,
2008.
Oh, 2008. I was here.
Yeah.
Oh, the one in 2008 and 9 and
Because
10.
the stock market been
Yeah, I was
crashed.
here. Yeah, I was here. Yeah, that was big.
And
Yeah.
now about like a couple of months ago,
Yeah.
the stock market is being crashed too.
Yeah, I've been there, and that one hit a lot. Yeah, that one hit big.
Yeah.
I think since that one, you never recover from that. We
Yeah.
never recover from
Yeah.
that. Yeah.
Now
Yeah.
the Australian government
Mm.
is